Today's story comes from the Bible. 2 Kings chapter 4. There was a woman who showed kindness to the prophet Elisha. She prepared a room for him. God blessed her with a son. But one day, the boy became sick. Suddenly, he died. Her heart was broken. But she did something surprising. She did not give up. She went to find the prophet. When Elisha saw her, he asked, "Is everything all right?" She answered, "It is well." Even in pain, she held on to faith. Elisha came to her house. He prayed to God. He stretched himself over the child. The boy sneezed 7 times. Then he opened his eyes. Life returned. This story teaches us something deep. Even when something feels finished, God is not finished. When hope looks gone, God can restore. Do not give up. God still brings life to what seems lost. If this story encouraged you, please like and subscribe for more Bible stories and weekly encouragement.